Most schools would prefer not to exclude students and ideally allow learners to learn in school. However, sometimes schools do need to exclude students, and this can affect both the student and the school. EDClass can aid in ensuring excluded students maintain their attendance mark, continue to follow the curriculum, and achieve the best grades they can for the best chance in the future. Our range of UK qualified and experienced teachers can help guide and support students whilst they are on EDClass. Instant access to teaching support is available as soon as a student logs in, allowing them to have immediate support for any questions, advice or guidance. With over 2,000 on-demand hybrid lessons and 12,000 e-learning lessons, students can be placed on personalised learning pathways which cater to their individual educational needs. Learners can then work through lessons that target areas they need help in, improving their skills and knowledge in those topics. Our extensive safeguarding tools and support officers can help learners have a positive learning experience, all whilst increasing their protection both on and off school premises. To find out some more information, visit our website www.edclass.com/behaviour-repair or give us a call on 01909 568 338.